anything else, so I'm gonna be.
What? What?
Bam, bam! Me I say Maximum representing for S&M Jamaica lifestyle, and we are say like, comment, and subscribe. Zam, bam! My mama.
So tonight, guys, I will be doing Steve makeup, my husband makeup. So I'll be doing a fun makeup. Fun makeup challenge. So I'm gonna do his makeup and he's gonna do my makeup, guys. So you guys be the judge of it to see which of us do the makeup the best. Stick around, guys. You know, foundation is important, so I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal. I don't know if you guys can see L'Oreal. So I'm gonna be using my makeup sponge. Don't worry about it, I start using it already. So I'm just gonna put a little on the sponge. Sorry, I think I'm flashing my hair, and I'm gonna paste it over the face. Guys, this is the first time I'm doing makeup, so if I'm doing it wrong, you could correct me. Just comment below with your correction. I'm doing my husband makeup for the first time. Right, Steve?
Mm-hmm.
How you like it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm
not sure. I'm not sure yet.
You're looking good. You're looking good. Who have a straight nose? Eh? My husband's makeup looks so good. Can't believe. You know, you have good structure, bone structure. That is why it's gonna look like the best makeup ever. I also make kind of makeup, is even though it is the first time I do somebody else's makeup. I know I'm doing it. This makeup thing shot. Steve, you know, want to see how pretty you look.
Yeah.
Don't use it!
Sure. Says,
Say, wifey, thank you for doing my makeup.
Your person I look like a bitch.
Stop. I'm gonna... Oh, Stevie, your makeup really look nice. Guys, comment below and tell me, am I doing an awesome job? I think I am. I should let Steve see it, right? So next, I'm gonna be using, in a minute, I'm gonna be using some face powder. And this is a MAC face powder. Guys, this is a MAC face powder. So I'm gonna be using a little of this. I have my makeup brush here. I have my makeup brush. And I'm just gonna be brushing a little over the face. You know, I should contour your nose. Tell me, you like how it feel on your face?
Mm-hmm.
Nice,
You
huh?
need to sleep right now.
You enjoyed it, right? It's all good. Wow, Mrs. Spence. Yeah, Mrs. You gotta be Maria B. Steve today, right, Stevie? We're gonna use a concealer all over. Wow, Stevie. You can't say me no good pan makeup. So guys, this is the Neutrogena. I'm doing a whole lot of different brand. Ooh. It look good,
Hey, give me a mirror.
Trust the process, my dear. Trust the process.
You know, trust the process, yeah.
This is good. They look good. I mean, I know I'm so good on it.
But this thing I'm going
Yeah, worry about coming off. Why would you want to take off the nice makeup that I spent so much time doing properly? This you look good, guys. Okay. Stop.
I'm going to the thing with it.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna be lining the eyebrow with the to kind of clean it up a bit. I hope you do mine as good as how I do yours, you know. So I'll tell it to massage it in. Okay, and I'm gonna be using the, oh no, this first. I'm gonna be using the mascara. It's the mascara, we're not for now. It's the mascara.
Yeah.
So don't just keep it at one place. That's squint too much, guys. This look good, you have good eyelash. And I'm gonna be using the lipstick Grand Finale.
Like you said for last.
I think the eyelash is want to shave them too now. We need to get it. Did she just say shave his eyelash? Too now. We need to get it.
Shave my eyelash?
Yeah.
Nope.
Yes.
No. No shaving not going on.
We need to shave it, make it look better, well groomed.
Come on, just put on the makeup.
Sasha can bring the razor for me, please. I will give you a little bit of shave. I now cut out too much eyelash, just a little bit. Promise.
Oh, come on.
Steve said I can't shave it, I go for your eyelash. But it's just that I can't shave it, make it groom up a little bit.
So this eyelash not perfect, you know?
No, it's too much. It's a little bit too much bushy. You have a lot of eyelash, a lot of hair there, which is good. So when you shave it, it will get a perfect shave. What? You don't trust me to shave it?
No.
Nothing, Steve. Trust me for shaving, you know. Steve, tell me you're not. Uh-oh, this a fall apart. So I'm gonna be using the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow fall apart because I'm kind of get break up in there. You can't use your finger, because most of the time I just use my finger. Whoa! Steve, you look good. Only the eyelash you don't want to shave up. I wish I put on some eyelash too, right?
Some what? No, you're overboard about eyelash.
You should put on a little eyelash. You know the blue color one them. Gonna fit you. You underestimate me and you know say I'm good for makeup. Yeah, this kind of nasty man. The thing gonna reach right by your nose. I spoil up your nose makeup. Uh-oh, this all turn black. Oh yes. Like the eye thing end up on it. Whatever. Alright, we're gonna use. Oh yeah, we're gonna use this to contour the nose. Give a little highlight the cheek.
Your cheek bony. You have a cheekbone.
I don't have anything else, so I'm gonna be.
What? What? Look, take a look. Take a look at this.
Stop it. Steve, come now.
Yeah, look.
No, please.
Marie.
You sure you don't want the lipstick, Stevie, to make you look nicer, you know?
No lipstick.
No, put it on your lip. I use this for you. Guys, as you can see, I don't have any blush, so I'm using the lipstick as a blush. That's a new one you can get. And I'm gonna blend it with this brush. I almost use a makeup brush. Wow, Stevie. You can't tell me that it's not nice. And you look at it. You sure you don't want the lipstick? But you can use this one. You want the one there? The one in no color in there. And guys, I'm gonna be using the setting spray. Close the eyes. And guys, voila!
No much joy.
Sorry. Miss, it look good. You do you want a makeup? Smile at me, see. You look pretty much.
No, Marie. That was my baby.
I just have me to say but close the eyes, remember? But me never put no. Oh yeah. The camera pick up your tongue, you know? Bring him up close to the camera, let me see. So guys, tell me, isn't that beautiful? That's a beautiful makeup tutorial. This is my first time. Hush, don't touch your makeup.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah, don't touch your makeup. Remember, we're going to party later.
With what?
With the makeup on.
Make it see.
Okay, guys. So that I know this is makeup is my first time doing it, and I know that I do an awesome job. So guys, comment below and tell me, do you like the way I did my husband makeup? I can give you the recommendation of the products that I use. You want to your eye?
You spray this in my eye.
Let me not spray it. Alright. The makeup look nice. Oh yeah, man, I get ready for show. But I told him, I said to him, close the eye when I spray the setting spray. It's bearable. You can manage it for later when we go to the party.
What party?
Remember, we're going to the party and we're staying an hour. Guys, we're going to a party.
No, there's only one female here.
And who do the makeup? Okay, guys, thanks for watching the video. Like up the video, comment on the video, guys, and wait for part 2. Steve is gonna be doing my makeup, guys, and you guys will tell us who win the makeup competition. I know that I will win it because I didn't